What about salt? Is it healthy or unhealthy?
I wish I could give you an answer on anything to just tell you if it's healthy or unhealthy. We do need it. We need that salt, yeah, because it's physiologically, it helps to normalize our heartbeats and your water-salt balance, yeah, so we need it for physiological functioning. But I do think that sometimes people are eating too much salt, yeah, and that can lead to high blood pressure, especially if that's in the family. And if people are eating a lot of pre-cooked foods, for example, like in days where I haven't cooked my own meals, and for an example, in one of my workplaces, there is no place like a cafe where to eat. There's only gas station. And then just for fun, I'm just counting like, okay, so that's a soup, it's a sandwich, but it's already too much for the daily total. It's already like 7 grams in that one meal. And I'm going to eat some more, like some snack, and I'm going to eat dinner. So it's going to be a lot. And I know that often when it's the case, I'm going to feel, you know, when the water retention is worse, you know, like you feel like your skin is a bit like fluffy. I forgot the word. But so that can happen oftentimes, yeah. So you have to be careful of not exceeding the recommended dosage, which is about 5 grams. But again, I don't necessarily recommend counting it. Just knowing that there are some foods that are obviously going to be really rich in salt, like for example, like conserved foods, or maybe it's like smoked foods, some like meats generally if they're pre-cooked, cheese. Yeah. So again, when you know these foods, then you know that you shouldn't be eating them in every single meal. You can add them as an additive, but not as like the total food that you're actually going to get satiety from. Get more info about proper nutrition here.